choice today with the 2013 JX35. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, dual power mirrors, interval wipers, rear wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, push button start, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, climate control, telescopic steering wheel, tilt steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.